Sometimes you may have hidden a status on WhatsApp, and later if you want to unhide that status, you can do that. In this video, we'll tell you how to unhide any WhatsApp status. For this, open the WhatsApp app. After that, here you can see the Updates option. Click on Updates. When you click on that, here you can see so many statuses. Scroll right, and at the end here you can see the Hidden option. Click on Hidden. When you click on that, here you can see every hidden status. Select the status which you want to unhide. For example, I'm selecting this status. After that, above you can see 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots. When you click on that, here you can see the Unhide option. Click on Unhide. When you click on that, here you can see a pop-up message. Here click on Unhide. When you click on that, that status will be removed from the hidden section. Now in Hidden Updates, you cannot see that status. And if you go back, in the normal status section, you can see that status. So this way you can easily unhide any hidden WhatsApp status. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.